Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes packed with built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. Just grab the link in the description below. Alright, let us get into it. So in this video, I am reviewing Asianify EA. And to confirm right away, this is an MT5 only expert advisor priced at 349.99 US dollars on the marketplace, developed by Saiful Izam bin Hassan, currently sitting at version 1.0. Now, looking at the marketplace description, Asianify is built as a multi-session breakout system. It is designed around the Tokyo, London, and New York overlap zones using volatility analysis and market regime detection to decide when and how to trade. The listing emphasizes execution safety and drawdown protection, which tells me this developer is thinking about risk containment, not just entries. A few features stood out, you know, on this page. It uses what is called order virtualized order management, meaning that stop loss and take profits aren't sent to the broker directly. They are calculated and managed internally by the EA. So that is worth knowing because it shifts more responsibility onto the EA's own logic, staying connected and running. Now, there is also a drawdown circuit breaker, which halts trading once daily equity drops below set threshold. All right, that is a genuinely useful safeguard for anyone running this on a funded or prop style account, and it includes spread and liquidity filters, pausing activity when spreads widen abnormally. Okay, so here we have the input parameters, the dashboard and interface, session configuration, advanced trade logic, orders and risk management, and the safeguards and filters. Okay, now let us move into the historical testing side. Okay, but before we do that, let's just see if there is any report provided here. Okay, seems like there is no tester report provided on the page. All right, so heading over to my strategy tester, I actually ran this back test on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over roughly 7 months. It's close to 7 months, January through July 2026. Okay, so here is what I want to be completely transparent with you. Over that, roughly 7 month stretch, the EA only completed 2 trades. As you can see here, the total trades were just 2. All right, and that is an extremely small sample, so take everything here as a limited early look and not a verdict. All right, both of those trades were long positions. You can see both of them were long positions, and both of them closed at a loss. So it's a 0% win rate in this particular run. The profit factor came out to 0 since there was no gross profit to offset the losses. All right, and the net result was a loss of about $313 on a $10,000 account, roughly 3% loss. Okay, now one thing worth noting from the equity curve is that the equity drawdown reached almost 15%, and that is well above the final balance drawdown of just over 3%. So if we come check this out again, we can see that the equity drawdown was precisely 14.69%, while the balance drawdown was just 3.13%. So that gap suggests that the account was sitting in a much deeper floating loss before those positions eventually closed. All right, which is something that I would want to understand better with a larger sample. All right, the average holding time on these trades was also long, stretching into weeks. Okay, so we can see this is an example now. This trade was executed here. You can see 2nd January, and this trade was held for quite a long time. We can see that up until now, that position was still opened. You can see that, right? You can see, so the strategy that this expert advisor is using seems to be the type that does not close trade on time at all. This is already May, and you can see that that trade is still opened, right? So it's not surprising to see that only 2 trades were executed when the expert advisor can hold a trade for months. We can see that the trade was finally closed in July, right? So the the long stretch of holding trades kind of lines up with a session breakout approach that is not looking for quick scalp. But to be clear, historical testing like this, you know, is only one part of evaluating an expert advisor, and 2 trades is not enough to draw conclusions about long-term viability, right? Performance can shift significantly with different lot sizing, broker execution, spread conditions, and further optimization. So I would recommend running longer term testing yourself, ideally covering more sessions and more market conditions before forming any real opinion. Okay, so based purely on what is available here, Asianify expert advisor appears aimed at traders who are interested in a structured session-based breakout approach with built-in risk controls. All right, but this specific test window is too limited to say much about its edge. Okay, no expert advisor is right for every trader or every market, so test it thoroughly on demo first before considering anything further. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review. Happy trading.